Welcome to the Camping and Caravanning Club series of how-to videos. We're going to share with you some know-how on how to carry out simple DIY motorhome checks and maintenance to get the very best out of your van. Our Oni and Geddes will walk us through routine maintenance that anyone can do themselves.
Every motorhome is required by law to be in a condition which is safe for the road, and once it's 3 years old, it must also pass an MOT. We recommend an annual service is carried out by an approved workshop on key items relating to the habitation, such as electric and gas systems. But there's lots of things you can easily check for yourself to keep the van in good condition. Use your dipstick to check the engine oil levels every few weeks and before any long journey, and top up as necessary. Check the coolant level when the engine is cold. If the level keeps dropping persistently, get it checked out for leaks. Visually inspect your wipers are in good condition. If they show any signs of splits or cracks, get them replaced. Check your screen wash regularly and top it up with the right amount of additive for the time of year. Inspect your windscreen for chips and damage. If there is any damage, get them repaired as soon as possible. Check your headlights are in good condition. Make sure the lenses are clean and in good working order. Next, we're going to check the tyres. You must always check the pressures before every trip. Also take a good look at them and make sure there are no splits, cracks or bulges. If you find any defects, get them professionally checked out. They may have to be replaced. That also applies to the spare wheel should you have one. If you don't have a spare, you may well have a mobility kit. Don't forget to check the age on this. The sealant does have an expiry date too. Check the wheel nut tightness with a torque wrench. Check the hose and regulator connections in your gas locker. Look closely at the hose for splits and cracks. Replace it if necessary. Check the flame from the gas cooker of your appliances. It should burn clean and blue. If you find a very yellow or orange flame, consult a professional workshop. Check the RCD circuit breaker cutout switches. Make sure they work correctly. They're designed to cut off the supply should a fault occur. Check your water hoses and confirm the connections are tight. You really don't want a leak. Ensure ventilation and dropout vents aren't blocked or obscured in any way.
If any items stop working during the year, get them sorted as soon as possible. And for more information, visit our datasheet on servicing at our website. If you found this video useful, be sure to check out others in our how-to series on our club website or on our YouTube channel. Happy camping and caravanning.